Hi, Vincent. How are you?
Good.
Congratulations on winning that second golden ticket.
Thank you.
Do you feel good about it?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, so tell the world, all the boys and girls here, tell them, how did you win it? Like, what happened? How did you find that golden ticket in the chocolate?
Well, I'm a gum chewer normally.
Oh.
But when I heard about these golden ticket things, I laid off the gum and switched to candy bars.
Got it. So you just ate a lot of candy bars.
Yes.
Okay, so now you said you're normally a gum chewer. Are you now more into candy bars, or are you back on gum?
No, I'm back on gum.
Okay, so you are back on gum. You love gum?
Yes, I love gum.
Oh, okay. So do you like adore it?
Yes, I adore it all day. Yeah, and
Stay still.
even at meal times, when I stick it behind my ear for safekeeping.
What? Say that to me again. You stick.
The
Show
gum-
me what you mean.
I stick the piece of gum behind my ear at meal times.
I'm going to ask you, is that true that Vincent does that? Oh, yes, he does. He loves his gum. I just let him do it. I can't stop him. It's true. Have you got any gum that you've had for a long time? Like, how long have you been chewing that piece of gum?
I've been chewing this gum. I've been chewing this piece of gum right here for 3 months.
Let me, the cameraman wants to zoom in on it. Show me that piece of gum again. Hold it to the camera. 3 months. Wow, that must be a record. Is it a record?
Yeah, it's a record. It's a record. It's a record by my best friend,
Cornelia, the girl that's here over here.
Yes.
She's beat that record.
Yes.
Disgusting. I mean, wow, good for you. So you beat her now?
Yes.
You say hi to her. Say hi to your best friend. Say hi.
Amelia.
That's wonderful. Well, thank you for taking time out of your soccer practice and have fun meeting Willy Wonka and all the kids. Go, Jets. Who to love?